This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gloria Waters. Looking for an affordable vacation getaway? Take a look at this first floor condo and unit, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Recently replaced, range, dishwasher, washer and kitchen bathroom plumbing fixtures. This light bright condo features a great room plan, breakfast bar, pantry closet, walk-in closet and inside laundry area. Admiral's Walk has a new look. Exterior renovations 2017 and 2018 included new roof, double pane low-impact windows, front door, insulation, gutters and Hardee Board siding. Also, this community is pet-friendly. Admiral's Walk resort-style community amenities include large clubhouse, fitness room, billiard room, kitchen, heated swimming pool, spa and gated entry. Monthly association, $279 includes water. Ashton Elementary, Sarasota Middle School and Riverview High School are popular schools in the area. Just minutes to Siesta Beach. Its sand is 99% quartz. Even on the hottest days, the sand is so reflected that it feels cool underfoot. Also, area golf courses, restaurants, Palmer Crossing Shopping Center, Walmart, Walgreens, Twin Lakes Park, Legacy Trail, UTC Mall and I-75 exit 205 within minutes. For more information, review the details below or contact Gloria Waters at 941-356-9386.